wanyuma yo kureba ngo imico y'amahene igenda nesisikara okucira munongo mbajasi bato abembezi b'amahege ihanga bakaca mu kugumana batendeka amahe ibikwatire n'emitwarize ahamwe n'eby'obutegeki okubasa kubijutya umwuga gwabo mu banya-Uganda mu kiruko yitwa ideological training. Okurigirira Lieutenant Colonel Remy Mutabazi All Political Commissioner w'enkambi y'amahe ya kabiri nagira ngo bwiro bwingi habaru kutwarwa omu matendekero ag'eby'obutegeki nka Kyankwanzi hamwe na Kaweweta n'amahe makuru.
Then the division, because we are guided that each division should conduct 2 ideological courses each financial year, and since then we have never gone wrong. Every year we make sure with your guidance that we conduct those political education.
Uri umuhezi w'umudumizi mukuru w'enkambi y'amahegi Kano James Kasore ahigira batendekirweho kubaganisizaho bagenzi babo aha amageza gubatongereye babase kurinda ekitendesa cya UPDF.
Whenever we go, we are unique because of our clear ideology. And I feel in all forums we should really embrace political education. And I thank the President to always support the chieftains of political for these classes. It is funded, and everywhere you go now in the divisions, the same is happening.
Umuringo ngo gumwehori umudumizi w'enkambi eji Major General Paul Muhanguzi hashoborire kigenderwa cyo kubangora amahe ombi obutegeki.
Omwazi yobu twapasinga abasirikare 98 abosire bari ikiturkweta ideological course mukimanyisa kabura abasirikare emikene bibashamire gukora umbantu babutosha haze ikintu gikora butosha kwenda ngo discipline yitu ya UPDF itakagira uko yafunga itakagira uko yacayu.
Amubinte bebirano batendekwamo harihengenderwaho za NRM kumiho bwahateza yongerwaho zikabi 15. General Muhanguzi nagira ngo ikintu cywera amaheho kumanyihanga hiruru kutora.
Mbwene kuba kubabariya batunga n'umugisha ahabuku bantu basikiro kweta abituri kumanya nkabakuba ukurgumyanye tariyemo bwisha babashomeseza hamwe ekitakubasize kurahuka kuba kubere bari yumva tariyanizi kandi bakirga nubo bakamanda bahansi ababu wareba biturkweta nani commission officers nubo injo mu unity kira bo officers zab'inenyota hazan bo turkwetenga munonga ahabuko ngwakatika bakakira kabisi.
General Muhanguzi nagira ngo mishomeje teyine buzare na Karuru hakuturukuza mu mwaka uguru kwija
konka yitwenturenga ha season ya Akaruru nakanye nchakari konka na hakaruru katari security ni aha karuru katakashikiri security ni yetemo aba bari ku preparing kutebekanisa emitwarize n'imiterere y'umuntu nayenda nkarashye mbarara n'ahandi hone areba inihorere atakagira ikiyayikwanze.
Emishomonkeji neba hemironde 2 buri mwaka mu nkambi z'amahezona.
And she has always been in class and has always shown interest in all activities in class.
Gasha kwa Martin Nebye hawa Sky TV Hagensho.
Siasa nzuri kukomo wa Uganda na wananchi yote, tete de Felipe uwezo kukomo